Welcome to Review Lab. The best ear wax remover is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for maintaining optimal ear health and hygiene, offering a safe and effective alternative to traditional, potentially harmful methods like cotton swabs. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of ear care to uncover which ear wax removal solutions truly stand out, helping you achieve crystal clear hearing and prevent discomfort or potential damage associated with impacted earwax buildup. Get ready to discover the top picks that promise a gentle yet thorough clean, ensuring your ears feel as good as they sound. Number 5. OOGIEBEAR Baby Nose Cleaner and Ear Wax Removal Tool. Introducing the OOGIEBEAR, designed for the gentle and safe cleaning of your little one's nose and ears. It's an essential tool for every parent. This innovative tool features a dual-ended design, making it versatile for both nose and ear care. It ensures a thorough yet gentle experience for your baby. Perfect for newborns, infants, and toddlers, it addresses common concerns with ease. Keep your child comfortable and breathing freely with this must-have item. Say goodbye to stubborn boogers and earwax. This tool provides an effective solution for removal, ensuring your baby's hygiene and well-being. Consider it an essential part of your baby stuff collection. It offers peace of mind by providing a safe and reliable way to maintain your baby's cleanliness. What we like. This is designed specifically for the youngest members of your family. If you are a new parent or have a newborn, this offers a safe and gentle way to clear their delicate ears. Its specialized design ensures peace of mind during use. What people say. This ear wax remover is very effective in clearing out ear wax. The design of the ear wax remover makes it easy to use and clean. It has a unique feature that allows for gentle yet thorough cleaning of the ear canal. Number 4. BEBIRD R1 Ear Wax Removal Tool. Introducing the BEBIRD R1, your personal ear care companion. It features a high-definition camera and bright LED lights to illuminate even the darkest corners of your ear canal. With its advanced 3 million pixel lens, you get a wide-angle view in stunning 1080p HD. This allows you to clearly see every detail within your ear. Connect effortlessly to our intelligent BEBIRD app via Wi-Fi. You can then view a real-time feed on your phone or tablet, capturing photos and videos of your ear examination. This tool is designed for both examination and cleaning. It comes with multiple tips to effectively remove ear dirt, whether your ears are oily or dry. Its versatility extends beyond ear care. Use it to examine your nose, teeth, and throat with the included specialized observation kits. This innovative device boasts a patented design, ensuring safe and effective use for various personal examinations. It's a multi-use tool for your overall well-being. What we like. See exactly what you're doing with this high-tech option. If you want a precise and thorough ear cleaning experience, this is for you. It's ideal for those who prefer a visual guide or need to examine their ears, nose, or throat. What people say. The ear wax remover is effective in clearing out ear wax. The design of the ear wax remover is user-friendly and easy to operate. This ear wax remover features a gentle yet powerful cleaning action. Number 3. Nose Wax Kit for Men and Women. Tired of unwanted nasal and ear hair? Our kit offers a simple solution for both men and women. Achieve smooth results with ease. Experience a painless hair removal process. This safe formula is designed for your comfort and effectiveness. Say goodbye to irritation. Get the results you want in just 3 minutes. This fast-acting solution fits easily into your busy schedule. It's the perfect quick fix. Each kit provides enough wax for 15 to 20 uses, offering long-lasting smoothness. Enjoy weeks of clear results from a single purchase. This versatile kit is perfect for both nose and ear hair removal. Achieve a clean and polished look effortlessly. It's designed for all your needs. Everything you need is in the box, including 100 g of wax and 30 applicators. Get started right away with this all-in-one solution. What we like. Tackle unwanted hair quickly and easily with this kit. If you're looking for a fast, painless solution for nose and ear hair removal, this is a great choice. It's perfect for men and women who want a quick grooming session. What people say. The ear wax remover is effective and easy to use. It comes with multiple tips for different ear canal sizes. The device is rechargeable and holds a charge for a long time. Number 2. NAVEH PHARMA CleanEars Earwax Removal Spray. Introducing NAVEH PHARMA CleanEars, a fast-acting spray designed to effectively remove earwax. It's clinically proven to be highly effective, breaking down and dissolving earwax in just one treatment. Our patented sprayer is designed for optimal dispersion and ease of use, eliminating the need to tilt your head. It's made with natural ingredients and is preservative-free for a gentle experience. This earwax remover is a safe and gentle solution for dispersing excess hardened earwax. It helps to clear your ears and protect your hearing without harsh chemical solvents. Clinical tests have shown it to be superior to other over-the-counter products in efficacy, safety, and user-friendliness. The active ingredient is clinically proven for effective earwax removal. Composed of a unique complex from natural olive oil and spearmint essential oil, it contains no aggressive solvents or chemicals. This makes it a non-irritant option, even for inflamed skin. Suitable for infants, children, and adults, it can save you a trip to the doctor. Regular use helps prevent wax buildup, keeping ears refreshingly clean and clear. What we like? This offers a convenient, no-fuss approach to earwax removal. If you dislike tilting your head or prefer a spray that works quickly, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for the whole family and helps prevent future buildup. What people say. This earwax remover is very effective and easy to use. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. It has multiple adjustable settings for different needs. Number 1. Hion 6 PCS Extended Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you still using cotton swabs to clean your ears? Research shows they can actually push earwax further in and cause harm. It's time for a safer, more effective solution. Crafted from premium 316L stainless steel, this kit is designed for safety and durability. It won't rust, cause allergies, or infections, and features a nano-polishing process for a smooth, irritation-free experience. Each tool is double-headed and extended for comprehensive cleaning. Different scoops are designed to tackle both dry and oily earwax, ensuring a thorough and gentle removal. With an anti-slip grip and various sizes, these tools are comfortable and safe for everyone, including children and adults. They are designed to fit all ear canal sizes perfectly. Maintaining hygiene is simple. These tools are reusable and washable, coming with a cleaning brush and a portable storage box for convenient use at home or while traveling. We are confident you'll love this effective ear cleaning kit. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us for a solution. Add this essential tool to your cart today. What we like? Get a professional clean at home with this comprehensive kit. If you're looking for durable, high-quality tools that offer a secure grip, this is the one. It's ideal for those who want a precise and safe manual ear cleaning experience. What people say. The earwax remover is easy to use and effective. It comes with multiple tips for different ear canal sizes. The device is gentle and doesn't cause any discomfort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.